Types and list of heavy construction equipment. Part 3. Loaders with a skid steer. A skid loader, also known as a skid steer loader or skid steer, is a small engine-driven equipment with lift arms that may attach to a variety of labor-saving tools or attachments. Skid steer loaders are four-wheel vehicles with mechanically locked synchronization on each side and the ability to move the left side drive wheels independently of the right side drive wheels. The wheels usually do not have their own steering gear and are kept in a fixed straight alignment on the machine's body. Trenchers. A trencher is a piece of construction equipment that digs trenches, usually for the purpose of laying pipelines or electrical cables, establishing drainage, or trench warfare preparation. Trenchers come in a variety of sizes, from walk-behind units to skid loader or tractor attachments to very heavy tracked-heavy equipment. Graders, motor graders. A grader, also known as a road grader or a motor grader, is a construction machine with a long blade that is used in the grading process to create a level surface. Scrapers for automobiles. A motor scraper, also known as a wheeled tractor scraper, is a piece of heavy equipment used for earth moving in civil engineering. The scraper can convey the soil or clay load to the fill area, where the blade is lifted, the hopper's back panel, or the ejector, is hydraulically pushed forward, and the soil or clay load tumbles out. For more information call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.